So the saddle stay is made up of fiber, but the quality is pretty nice. It feels strong. Let's see how it performs over the couple of months or years. If it doesn't break, then it's a very good solution. I mean, saddle stays, they are usually made up of metal. They add extra bit of weight as well. My bike is already 190 kg. This feels stronger. Let's see. So if you don't want the, let's say, left hand side or right hand side, you can choose only one of them. This is useful. Let's say if I break one, I can get only one saddle stay instead of getting the entire kit. Now, along with that, I have also ordered a couple of things. This one I ordered from Luvia. I'm gonna be putting the link in the description as well. You can check that out. This is basically the Pillion Footrest. So this is the first time I'm ordering something from Luvia, and it feels pretty solid. As you can see, the finishing is top notch. It has some rubber padding as well. Alright, now let's go downstairs and install all of this.
Ordered the entire kit, then you will get all the necessary items that are needed for the fix. Now for each side, you will have top plates and the bottom plates. And this is how they will fit on the top rack. To mount the saddle stay, start with the lower mounting plate. And do not forget to add the washer that comes with the lower plate bolt. Now let's move on to the top plates and tighten the bolt that holds the saddle stay. Alright, so the saddle stay is done, and now let's install the pillion footrest. Now pay attention on the next part. The extender sits on two bolts which are located here and here. Let's call it location number 1 and location number 2. Luvia provides longer bolts along with the product which will be used in location number 1. For location number 2, we will be using the bolt which came with the saddle stay. The only catch is that you will have to grind the location number 2, that is this hole, to increase the diameter that can accommodate the saddle stay bolt. Clear? Are you guys with me? Let's move on. Step number 1. First, remove the footrest lock pin from the stock footrest. Remember to go easy on this thing as it's a very delicate job. It's not a rocket science, but it takes patience. Once the lock pin is out, carefully place the longer bolt in the place of stock bolt that you just removed. I had put the saddle stay earlier to show you guys how to fix it. So here I am dismantling it again. The things that I do for YouTube videos. Anyway, please subscribe if you are still watching. Moving on. Once everything is loosened up, then carefully place the footrest extender. Remember those two holes? Yep, that's where we'll have to tighten the bolts. So for location number 1, I am using 13 mm spanner and a 5 mm Allen key. to tight this thing up. And for the location number 2, I am using 12mm spanner along with 5mm Allen key. And this is because the first bolt came from Luvia and the second bolt came from Bajaj. And once you are satisfied with the fitment, follow the same process for the other side as well. And that's it. Let's see the final result. Do let me know what you think of these add-ons. And before I close down this video, I wanna quickly show you guys the 2 other mods that I have done. The first mod is the Mad Dog aux lamp. And the second one is the Figo air seat. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.